Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so changes sync properly. You should back up any photos or documents you want to keep. Once you remove iCloud, they may vanish from the device. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID. This first step gets you into the iCloud controls where you can disable services without waiting, so do that now. Once inside iCloud, you will see a list of apps using iCloud. Toggle off individual services like Photos, Contacts, and Drive to stop syncing. This lets you keep some features while disabling others. When iOS asks whether to keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone, choose based on whether you want local copies. If your goal is fully stopping iCloud, scroll down and prepare to sign out. Signing out removes iCloud account access from the device, so do that intentionally. You finish by tapping Sign Out at the bottom of Apple ID settings. You will be asked for your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone and complete Sign Out. Confirm whether you want to keep copies of contacts, calendars, or other data on the device, and wait for the process to complete. If something goes wrong, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID, check settings for iCloud status, and restart the phone before retrying to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.